$200 versus $2,000 renovation test. What if I told you a $200 renovation could outperform a $2,000 upgrade? Most homeowners think spending more money guarantees better results. But after 40 plus years of do-it-yourself home improvement, I've learned something different. This is the $200 versus $2,000 renovation test, and the truth might surprise you. My name is Ken Conley, owner of Conley's Home Improvement and a home improvement do-it-yourselfer. In this video, we will cover a $200 versus $2,000 renovation test. I've worked on everything from small garage upgrades to building decks, patios, and full backyard transformations. And here's what I've learned. It's not about how much you spend, it's about how you build. Let's start with the $200 renovation. This is where most people begin. With a limited budget, you're forced to get creative. You reuse materials, you focus on the basics, and you learn real skills. With $200, you can paint a garage, upgrade lighting, build shelves, or improve curb appeal. A well-done $200 project can completely transform how a space feels. It may not be luxury, but it's functional, clean, and effective. And more importantly, it builds confidence. Now, let's step up to $2,000. This is where things start to scale. With this budget, you can build a deck, install a patio, upgrade flooring, and add outdoor structures. But here's the truth. More money doesn't guarantee better results. This is where most people get it wrong. They think money equals quality. It doesn't. Planning, skill, and execution, that's what determines the outcome. Here's the method I've used for decades. Start small, build skill, reinvest into bigger projects. That's how you turn a $200 upgrade into a $2,000 transformation over time. So which one wins? $200 builds the foundation, $2,000 builds the vision, but the real winner is the person who starts. If you're serious about DIY, hit subscribe because I'm showing you how to build smarter, not just spend more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Conley's Home Improvement, making your home look good one project at a time. $200 versus $2,000 renovation test. Follow at Conley's Home Improvement. Thanks for subscribing and following.